Tim Bartz here at the Chicago Auto Show here, doing a video on the 2023 Ford Escape. So if you did check out our video that we did at the Chicago Auto Show, we did a Facebook Live where we talked about the 2023 Escape ST line. They had the Elite Edition there, and people asked us what's the difference between that and the Platinum Edition, and for the most part, it's a lot of the same features and equipment. The difference is your look to it. So here is a Platinum Edition that they have here with the doors open so we can take a look at it. So here on the front, you'll see this does have that LED light bar on the front. It kind of continues. That's a signature lighting. So your ST line Elite and your Platinum were the only ones that are going to have that grill light bar up here. So gives it a cool look. LED headlights as well up here. They're going to be so bright. LED fog lights and just a nice styling. And I love the refresh on the 2023 Escape. Of course, they are producing these now, and we can take orders for these, by the way, Platinum Edition. Hybrids will take a little longer for it to get scheduled, but the gas versions, you can probably get those scheduled real quickly, and they are producing them right now. Should be starting to show up. Some of our early production vehicles should be starting to show up pretty soon. So moving around to the side, this does have the 19-inch wheels here, so pretty cool luxury looking wheel. So it is a kind of a dark painted pockets there for you with the machine finish to them. So pretty cool there. All season tire are going to come with those. I actually noticed the sensor up here, so we'll have your park assist feature on this one here. So front sensor, back sensor, and sides. So it'll help the parallel park the vehicle, perpendicular park, as well as give pretty much all around perimeter alarm or perimeter sensing for the vehicle, I should say. Your mirrors, body color mirror cap here, you're going to see that. So this is that Cinnabar color, by the way. This is a new color for 2023 to go along with the new edition. This one does have your bliss with the cross traffic alert. Does have your your power mirrors. Even has a camera under here, 360-degree camera on the system. So there's a camera underneath the mirror. A lot of features there. Does have the intelligent access for the front doors, so allows you to be able to just put your hands on the door handle to unlock it and press the ridges when you're ready to get out. We'll have intelligent access as well, a push button start inside, and keypad entry that you just swipe it and it shows up, which is a pretty cool feature to have too. Some people say what's the benefit of that is if you want to leave the keys inside or access it without the keys, you can set your own keypad to do that. Nice accent around there. Chrome accent around the window belt line. This is the belt line, and then the window around the outside. That differentiates like the ST line to the Platinum Edition, is that chrome accent, more luxurious look to it. Most luxurious trim would be the Platinum Edition here. So side rails as well that are black. And then inside, Sarah, I'll let you get in there and kind of look at that. You can see the interior here. So I love the wood grain finish that you have on the accent on the doors there. Pretty cool, and the door handles are going to be the anodized kind of chrome look to them, and the stitching on the seats, arm pulls, everything else is going to be white. This one will have that Active X seats in here, so they've gone away from the leather. So might be leather. I'll have to look. I can't remember. Of course, I did a video. A build and price video on this called our complete guide. You can check that out. It kind of covers the materials on this, but it's either an ActiveX or it's a leather. The quilted bolsters though, they're really cool. And this one has that kind of the two-tone finish with the outer trim being black and then gray inserts there. I go along with the gray inserts on it. Pretty cool. So you can check out the dash going across. This does have the big 13.2-inch center stack screen with the 12.3-inch productivity screen, which is not lit up right now through the console. So they almost go together there. So you can see that one kind of just goes inside and the other one's just on the other side. So getting that kind of almost that dual screen there. It does have the heads-up display as well. So Sarah motion there, it does have the setup there for that to go up on the windshield, show you navigation setups, your speed, that kind of stuff, so you don't have to look down at any screens or anything. So pretty cool. Love the look of the dash. You get a good close-up of that dash trim, or the trim across the instrument panel. That is pretty cool. I love that look, the color. But there you go. And then before you get out, check out that panoramic vista roof up there. So that is optional on or might be standard. Again, check out that videos. I do so many that I forget sometimes whether or not that is standard on the Platinum Edition. Actually, I believe it is. I believe that's standard on Platinum Edition if I remember right now. So pretty cool there. Now let's move around to the back and show us, and let's look at the cargo room back in the back. This has the B&O audio sound system too. This one does have the tow package that they added with the 4-pin towing 4-pin wiring, I should say. You can see the sensors on the back bumpers here as well. And this is called the rear skid plate. That's going to be silver painted back here. And then rear view camera to kind of finish off the 360 cameras there. The platinum on badging back here. Nice chrome lettering, LED tail lights on the back. This is the hybrid version, which again will take a little longer for you to get if you have that. Let's see where that, there you go. And power lift gate, and you will not, they've taken away the hands-free lift gate. Oh, they got some accessories in here. So they got a nice little, they got a couple different dog accessories in here. One of these is this dog crate in here. And then the other is the little dog seat back there so they can't come jump into the front seats. And this does have the all-weather mat in here as well inside, but so you can't really can't see, but you can see this fits in here real nice and easy. But there you go. But there you go. So Ford Escape, of course, button there to kind of close that up, but there you go. So that's kind of a walk around of the 2023 Ford Escape Platinum trim. This happens to be a hybrid as well. And so hopefully you enjoyed these videos here at the auto show and be looking for more of our videos. Again, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed, and hit the notification bell. And also don't forget to watch our other videos and smash that like button if you did like this video and you like these types of this style of videos. And we'll be doing more of these, of course, and hopefully you see all the videos that we do here at the Chicago Auto Show. And don't forget, till the next video, stay positive, be kind to one another, be kind to yourself, and we'll see you in the next video.